Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore a super useful feature in Amazon Seller Central called Send It Again. This feature allows you to duplicate SKUs and quantities from a previously created shipment with just one click. First, log in to your Amazon Seller Central dashboard using your login ID and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the inventory section in the left corner menu. From the drop-down, click on Shipments. This will take you to your shipment list. On this page, you'll notice an announcement banner that introduces the Send It Again feature. This feature allows you to duplicate SKUs and quantities from a previously created shipment in just one click. To use this feature, find the shipment that you want to repeat. Once you've located the shipment, from the drop-down menu, select Send It Again. Now, you just need to confirm the quantity by clicking on the Ready to Send button. You can make any necessary changes to the quantities or details at this stage. Once everything looks good, fill in all the required details and print your carton labels. Fill in all the details. I'm skipping this part for now, but if you need guidance on how to fill in the details and create a shipment plan, check out our previous video by clicking the I button on the top right of the screen. If you decide you want to delete this workflow, you can click on Void Workflow in the bottom left corner, then confirm your choice. And there you have it. The Send It Again feature makes repeating shipments quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on Amazon Seller Central.